Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. So before starting this video, I would like to say something about my channel. As you can see now on the screen, a lot of people, 93.8% people which are watching my channel are not subscribing my channel, as you can see now on the screen. So first of all, I request you kindly support us. Click the subscribe button now. Please subscribe now. Click the subscribe button right now and support us. Thank you so much for support us. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Let's see the live price prediction of Chainlink cryptocurrencies of last 1 hour result. As you can see now on the screen, it's loading. Please kindly like a video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, a lot of people persons which are not subscribing my channel. Please kindly subscribe now. So as you can see now on the screen, the live price prediction of channeling cryptocurrencies last 1 hour. Oh my god, it's going wrong. As you can see here, negative 0.32% are change in the channeling cryptocurrencies, and the high rate as of is very good. As you can see, $26.19 is the high rate of channeling cryptocurrencies, and that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. That is the date of 25 March 2021. Let's see the technical analysis and signals of channeling cryptocurrencies on the graph. As you can see here, the high rate of channeling cryptocurrencies on this time is 26.19. So after at this time, the dumping of channeling cryptocurrencies are starts now. As you can see here, they are dumping starts from this period. As you can see, they fast down, fast down, fast down, fast down, but that is a good news for Chainlink holders. As you can see here, after this time they against the move to the upward start. The jumping of the Chainlink cryptocurrencies after this period starts now. As you can see as you can see on the graph, the jumping of the cryptocurrencies start now of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, they are very fastly jumping, as you can see here. So that is the live price prediction of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. I think it's a selling time of cryptocurrencies of Chainlink. It is a selling time. So that is the live price prediction of Chainlink cryptocurrencies you are watching now. So kindly, if you don't subscribe our channel, please click the subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for watching this video.